Hello students, good morning. Today once again we shall learn and discuss about Geography chapter 3. So we will discuss about the continent of Asia today. As we last time discussed about that there are 5 oceans and 6 continents in the world. So already we have discussed the oceans of the world, and today we shall discuss about the continents of the world. As we know that Asia is the largest continent in the world, which we discussed in last time also. So it has a land area of about 44.6 kilometers square, and this continent covers about 30% of the total land area of the earth. Okay. Asia is mainly located in the northern hemisphere, lies between 78 degree north latitude in the north to 1 degree north latitude in the south, and 25 degree east longitude in the west to 170 degree west longitude in the east. Okay. Then it has a number of islands. Amongst those islands, a few are known as country, such as Japan, Taiwan, Philippines, Java, Sumatra, Borneo, etc. are the islands. Those are located in Asia. Then in Indian Ocean, a few islands are also located, like Andaman and Nicobar, Sri Lanka, Lakshadweep, Maldives, Bahrain, etc. And these all islands are in the same continent, that is Asia. It is surrounded by Arctic Ocean on the north, the Indian Ocean on the south, the Bering Strait and the Pacific Ocean on the east, and the Red Sea. Okay. Then Suez Canal, Mediterranean Sea, Cascos Mountain, Caspian Sea, Ural River and Ural Mountain range on the west. According to 2014 estimates of the world's population, there are 51 countries in Asia. Okay. Asia have how many countries? 51 countries according to 2014 estimate. It is covered with high mountain ranges, plateaus, rivers, valleys, lowlands, coastal plains, islands, desert, etc. Its central part is full of mountain and plateaus. Okay, its central part. Among the mountain ranges, the north-south Ural mountain range forming the western boundary of the continent, the world's highest, the east-west running Himalayan mountain range and the offshoots in the middle, and the Karakoram ranges, Kunlun range, Altian ranges, Tinshan ranges, Altai mountain, Aravalli ranges, etc. are worth mentioning. The world's highest peak, that is Mount Everest, that is the highest peak of the world. Its height is 8,848 meters, is also belonging to Asia. That means Mount Everest is also located in Asia. Okay, and this Mount Everest is in the mountain Himalaya. Okay. Then the second mountain peak of the world, that is Godwin Austen. It is also known as Mount K2. That is the second highest peak of the world. That is also in Asia. Okay, its height is 8,611 meters. Okay, and this Godwin Austen belonging to Karakoram mountain system, and both these mountain peaks are located in Asia. There is a number of plateaus. Okay, among the plateaus, the Tibetan plateau is the then the world's highest plateau, that is known as Pamir Plateau, is also in Asia. Besides them, there is a number of other plateaus like Siberian Plateau, Mongolian Plateau, Deccan Plateau, Arabian Plateau, Iranian Plateau, etc. are also found in Asia, and these plateaus are very important all over the world. Besides plateau, there is a number of rivers also. These rivers are famous all over the world. Amongst them, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, etc. are very famous. We will discuss. Besides Ganga, Brahmaputra, etc. are found in our country, that is India, and besides that, a few other important rivers are also in Asia, which are located in some other countries of the world, like Ob, Lena, Amur, Wangho, Yangtze Kiang, Sikyang River, etc. Then in India, Narmada, Mahanandi, Tapti, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Barak, Menam, etc. are found in India. There's a number of large lakes also found in Asia, like Lake Balkhas, Baikal, Chilka, Sambar, Dal, Pulikat, Koleru, Lotok, etc. are also found in Asia. There is famous desert also, that is Gobi, Thar, Arabian desert. Those are also in Asia, and these deserts are famous all over the world. Then there another continent besides Asia, Europe. That is what? Europe. The continent, it is situated along the northwestern boundary of Asia. It is located completely in the northern hemisphere. Europe is located completely in the northern hemisphere, and it extended from 36° north latitude 36° north latitude in the south to 71° north latitude in the north, and from 10° west longitude in the west to 65° east longitude in the east. Its geographical area is 10.9 million km square, which constitutes 7.3% of the Earth's land area and 3 times the land area of India. Okay, it may be mentioned in your book also written. It is there are islands like British Island, Ireland, Iceland, and Shetland in the Atlantic Ocean. Crete, Sicily, Malta, Sardinia, Corsica, and Balkaric Island, etc. are in the Mediterranean Sea, and Gotland, Åland, Novia, Jamia, etc. are in the Arctic Ocean, and all these are under the continent of Europe. It is surrounded by Arctic Ocean on the north. Europe is surrounded by Arctic Ocean on the north, and the continent of the Asia on the east, and the Atlantic Ocean on the west. It means that the continent of Europe is surrounded by seas and oceans from 3 sides. Okay, it is surrounded by seas and ocean from how many sides? 3 sides. As you can have a look at your book at figure number 3.9. Physically, the continent of Europe is separated from Asia by the Ural mountain range and the Ural river. According to the estimates of 2014, the total population of Europe is 74 crore, which constitute about 10.4%, not 5, 10.4% of the world's total population. There are 44 countries in the continent. Okay, there are 44 countries according to 2014 estimate. Its total population was 74 crore, and and how many countries were there according to 2014 estimate? 44 countries. Then let us come to the physiography of Asia. We shall discuss the physiographic structure of Europe. So Europe, it is very complex and diverse. In respect of physiography, Europe can be broadly divided into two parts, northern part and southern part. The northern part, which stretches from the coastal France on the west to the Ural mountain range on the east, is almost a plain land. But the southern part, from Spain to Black Sea, having covered with hills, mountains and plateaus, is highly rugged. Among the mountain ranges of the southern Europe, the Alps, Carpathian, Cascades, etc. are worth mentioning. The mountain Elbrus peak. There is one peak, mountain Elbrus peak, 5,633 meters of the Cascades mountain range, is the highest place of Europe. On the other hand, the highest peak of the Alps is Mont Blanc, 4,807 meters. Europe is full of rivers, lakes, etc. Among the rivers, Ebro of Spain, Rhone and Seine of France, Rhine and Elbe of Germany, Oder and Vistula of Poland, etc. are very famous river of the continent. Okay. Then we shall discuss about continent of Africa.